One of the type of chiropractic adjustment is a gentle one, and it's using sound waves to adjust the atlas, which is the first cervical spine. And when you adjust the atlas with this gentle sound wave, you will align the spine, and that could be very helpful with joint pain, with even soft tissue pains. And there's few chiropractors do this practice, so you can look up in your area and see if there is a practitioner that does Atlas Orthogonal, and just reach out and see how they can help you with.